Hi friends, today I'll show you an upgrade for my SuperMeteor, which is air filter, BMC air filter. So this is unboxing, and in this we get one air filter. We also get a manual and with few stickers which we can use. I'll show you how to install it now. You have to open left side panel, then वहाँ पे आपको 3 screw मिलेंगे. You just have to pull that out, remove the old filter, just plug and play the new filter, tighten the screw and close the panel, and you're ready to roar.